Hi friends, my name is RAJASEKHAR Reddy, and if you are seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And in the previous video, we have seen what is dependency injection and what is the use of services in Angular and how exactly we are implemented in Angular. We have seen by using an example. But in this video, this is what exactly we have seen in the earlier video. But in this video, what we are going to see, we will develop one REST API. We will call one REST API and we will show that we will call one GET API and we will show the data in the console. We will see in this example. For that, what I am trying to do is just I am trying to close my Visual Studio and I want to create a new Angular project here. And this is my what I will do is just open my command prompt. And what I will do is I will create a new project ng-new second app. This is my application name. Just click on enter. It will take for a while to create our Angular application, and I want the CSS and I don't want the Angular routing here. Here you can see that the project got created successfully, and let me quickly open the code in the VS Code, code. Click on enter. And this is my code. Let me close the previous project. And this is my second project. What I will do is, let me go to one, there is a website available which will give the free JSON placeholder API. There are different free REST APIs are available. Let me check on anyone who can use it. Let me take this one. These are REST API we need to use, and this is an GET API. What I will do is post. Let me quickly generate create a component here. CD second app. Click on enter. ng generate component. The project name I am giving as post. Okay, yes, the project got imported. What I will do is, let me expand it. Post. Let me go to the post component.ts. What I will do is, let me quickly inject that HTTP module. There is a HTTP module in order to work with HttpClient. What we will do is, we need to import this HTTP module in our app module.ts. What I will do is, let me quickly go to my app module.ts. Just we need to import it. HTTP client mode. Similarly, we need to import it. Let me write this import statement also. When you import any module, then it will be when you add any HTTP module, HTTP client or something like that, and it will be available across all your components. So that's why we are adding this HTTP client module in the app module.ts. Finally, I am going to the app post component. What I will do is, let me, in the earlier video we have seen the dependency injection. Provide, give the variable as HTTP and give, let me write that HTTP client here. HTTP client. And in order to do the REST call here, what we need to do, I am writing as http.get, and we need to pass the URL, whatever the URL you have. What I will do is just go there and copy this URL, and we need to use that URL here. After that, once we have the data, we need to subscribe it. subscribe, we need to have some variable here, data, and we need to print this data in the console.log the data. What are the data you have? Just print it. Now we are good with the code. What I will do is, let me start my server, ng serve -open, click on enter. Let me control F12, just go to the console. You are not seeing any data. Why? Because we are not used any selector here. Let me use this app post selector in the parent app component.html. Let me remove all the default content here. On the right one header, just for checking whether it is working or not. Welcome to HttpClient. And here I am using that selector name here. Let me save it. Let me run it. And you can see that we are getting some error. Let me check why the error. Let me store it in the variable. Let res.subscribe. Let me click on enter. Just go to F12. Now provider for HTTP client. You can see now it's working. Why it's not working is I imported that HTTP client module, but I didn't save that one. So that's why we are getting that error. Now we are getting the data. You can see that in the console. You can see that the console, each user having user ID, title, body, and what exactly it is showing: user ID, title, body, and that's it. And we have seen all the data. It is coming in the console. You can see we are able to see the data available here. And in this video, what we have done is we have created one Angular application and we imported a HTTP client module in the app module.ts, and we created one component, post component, and in the post component I created one, I injected one HTTP client, and I called one get method, calling one get API, and finally I am subscribing. Finally I am storing the value in the, or printing the value in the console. And that's it for this video, guys. And in the next video we will see the same data we will display in the browser. And thank you friends, thank you for watching. And if you are seeing my video for the first time, just don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.